Best way to overwrite Azure Blob in Python. If I try to overwrite an existing blob, I get a resource exists error. I can check if the blob exists, delete it, and then upload it. Taking into account both what the Python Azure Blob Storage API has available as well as idiomatic Python style, is there a better way to overwrite the contents of an existing blob? I was expecting there to be some sort of overwrite parameter that could be optionally set to true in the upload_blob method, but it doesn't appear to exist.
From this issue it seems that you can add overwrite equals true to upload_blob and it will work.
If you upload the blob with the same name and pass in the overwrite equals true param, then all the contents of that file will be updated in place. During the update, readers will continue to see the old data by default, until new data is committed. I think there is also an option to read uncommitted data as well if readers wish to. Below from the docs. Overwrite, bool, whether the blob to be uploaded should overwrite current data. If true, upload_blob will overwrite the existing data. If set to false, the operation will fail with resource exists error. The exception to the above is with append blob types. If set to false and the data already exists, an error will note raised and the data will be appended to the existing blob. If stoverwrite equals true, then the existing append blob will be deleted, and a new one created. Defaults to false.
The accepted answer might work, but is potentially incorrect according to documentation. Azure.storage.blob.containerclient.upload_blob can take the parameter overwrite equals true. See docs for container client. The documentation for Azure.storage.blob.blobclient.upload_blob does not document an overwrite parameter. See docs for blob client.